let's work on this 410 master lotto lock that Cherokee sent. Looks like a 400B keyway. So for those, you generally use something along these lines. Steeper hooks, so I can just pick from the bottom, and top of the keyway tension, which I put in not at the very top, but just kind of down there, which gives me a nice angle to work from anyway. I'm trying to remember which of these hooks I generally use, but we'll just go with this one for now. Let's see. There's nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Click out of 3. Click in a false set. I guess I'm off by 1. That was 5. Nothing on 6. Come back out. 1. Counter rotation. I had missed one last time because it was so close to the tension wrench. 2. Counter rotation. Nice click. That one's set. Back here to 4. Counter. And we're open. And that's Master 410. Oh, that's the bitting on that key. And that's a quick one for Lotto Lock Tuesday. Thank you to Cherokee for sending me the lock. You'll see a card up earlier in the video up here, and there'll be a link down here for her channel. Lotto Lock Tuesday, the brainchild of Pocket Woman. There'll be another card up here and a link down here for her channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it legal.